Wouldn't it be nice if every salad started with a thought? Chicken meets yogurt, chickpea flour, ginger garlic, and just enough spices. A tandoori marinade full of character. While it rests, fresh vegetables come to life. Cucumber, onion, and lettuce, all crisp, alive, refreshing. Fresh mint and coriander chopped for a brightness lift. A little trick for flavor is laying zucchini or bell pepper cubes on the parchment paper beneath the skewered chicken. As it bakes, the juices drip down, flavoring the zucchini intentionally. The chicken skewered, brushed with butter, goes into the oven until smoky and golden. Simple actions, but every step matters. Meanwhile, a yogurt-based dressing comes together. Cumin, mint, lemon. Light, creamy, and balanced enough to let the chicken and vegetables shine. Greens layered first, then chopped chicken scattered on top. Zucchini folds back into quinoa. Everything ready, waiting for the final touch. Dressing drizzled, a sprinkle of chaat masala, and a final mix that brings everything together. A salad that's fresh, light, protein rich, and satisfying. Every bite tells a story of balance, thought, and flavor. This is the kind of cooking I love. Thoughtful yet practical.